Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 10 Types of Chemical Reaction. Types of Chemical Reaction. What is chemical reaction? Chemical reaction involves breaking of old chemical bond and formation of new chemical bond. Formation of new chemical bond. Breaking of old chemical bond, formation of new chemical bond. This change may happen spontaneously or it may be facilitated by external force or energy. Chemistry is all about chemical reaction. Chemistry is all about chemical reaction. In your day-to-day life, you would observe many chemical reaction. You would observe many chemical reaction. What are the chemical reaction? For example, you need energy to play, walk, run, or to perform various physical activities. Where you get energy from? You get energy from digestion of food you eat. You get energy from digestion of food to eat. The other example of the day-to-life chemical reaction is how do plants grow and get their food. Plants grow by absorbing nutrients from the earth and get their food by photosynthesis. Plants grow and get the energy from what process? Photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process. How does a car move using fuels? Move using fuels. The combustion of fuels makes the car to move. The combustion of fuel makes the car to move. The last example is why does iron rust on its exposed to water or air? Oxidation of the, what is the reason to iron is rusting? Oxidation of iron cause rusting. So all these processes are chemical changes. All these processes are chemical changes. The material which undergo changes or they convert into some other new materials. For example, by burning petrol into carbon dioxide and water. In this chapter, we discuss nature and types of chemical reaction. Nature of the reaction and type of the chemical reaction. Let's move on. What happened during chemical reaction? The first one, in a chemical reaction, the atoms of the reacting molecules or elements are rearranged to form new molecules. The old reacting molecules or elements are rearranged to form a new molecules. The second one is old chemical bonds between atoms broken. The old bond is broken and the new chemical bond is formed in a chemical reaction. The last one, bond breaking absorb energy. The chemical reaction absorbs some energy. The bond is breaking. Whereas the bond formation means energy released. In a chemical reaction, energy released means bond formation. Energy absorbed meaning bond breaking. It's absorb some energy. Bond formation means it's release some energy. These are the happen during a chemical reaction. Let's move on. How are chemical reactions represent? For example, when methane react with oxygen, it's form carbon dioxide and water. The reaction, how can you represent this reaction? It can be represented by the word reaction. What is the word reaction? Methane reacted with oxygen. So methane plus oxygen. What is the products to form? Carbon dioxide and water. So methane plus oxygen gives this methane plus oxygen gives carbon dioxide plus water. Carbon dioxide plus water. This is word reaction. Word reaction. But in this reaction does not gives chemical composition. Chemical composition of the reactants and the products. So to learn the characteristics of chemical reaction, learn the characteristics of chemical reaction is represented by the chemical equation. Chemical equation. Chemical equation, the chemicals of the reactions are represented by their chemical formula. What are the chemicals involved in the reactions? These are denoted by chemical formulas. These are denoted by chemical formulas, both reactants and products. So compounds are elements which undergo reactions. Undergo reactions means these are act as the reactants. Reactants are shown to the left of the arrow mark. Left of the arrow mark. Methane formula CH4 react with oxygen. Oxygen gas formula O2 gives what is the product? Carbon dioxide formula CO2 and water formula H2O. This is chemical. These are the chemical formula of the reactants. Reactants. What are the reactants? Methane formula CH4, oxygen formula O2. What are the products? Carbon dioxide formula CO2 and water formula H2O. Water formula H2O. This is incomplete chemical reaction. This is incomplete chemical reaction. The CH4 and O2. CH4 and O2 is the reactants. CO2 and H2O is the product. This arrow mark indicates direction of the reaction. Arrow mark indicates direction of the reaction. Left of the arrow before left side of the arrow mark gives reactants. Right side of the arrow mark gives products. This reaction is also incomplete chemical equation. So, because of the law of conservation of the matters state that matter cannot be created or destroyed. The law of conservation says matter cannot be created or destroyed. You cannot create new atoms by the molecule chemical reaction. You cannot create new atoms by a chemical reaction. In contrast, they are rearranged in different way by a chemical reaction to form a new compound. The atoms are rearranged different way to give new compound. So in a chemical equation, the number of atoms of the reactants that of the products must be equal. How many reactants involved in a chemical reaction? Reactants and product number of atoms are equal. Reactant molecules and product number of molecules are both are equal in a chemical equation. This is balanced chemical equation. The number of hydrogen and oxygen atom in a reactants and products are not equal in a chemical equation. In a chemical equation, the number of hydrogen and oxygen not equal. Methane formula CH4. Methane contains how many hydrogen? 4 hydrogen. But carbon dioxide there is no hydrogen. In water molecules contains hydrogen. How many hydrogen in water molecule? 2 hydrogen. But methane contains 4 hydrogen. The reactants 4 hydrogen, product 2 hydrogen, not equal. And oxygen gas formula O2. Reactant contains how many oxygen? 2 oxygen. But product contains carbon dioxide 2 oxygen, water molecule 1. Both are not equal. In a chemical equation, hydrogen and oxygen are not equal. So on a balanced number of atoms, balance the number of atoms, the following equation can represent balanced chemical equation. CH4 methane formula CH4 plus 2O2 gives carbon dioxide formula CO2 and 2 water molecules. Methane contains 4 hydrogen and water molecules 2 into 2, 4 hydrogen. The hydrogens are balanced. Then next balance the oxygen. How many oxygen here? Product side, reactant side 2. 2 into 2, 4 oxygen. Product side also contains 4 hydrogen. Carbon dioxide contains 2 hydrogen, water molecules contain 2 hydrogen. So both are equal. This is balanced chemical equation. This equation represents balanced chemical equation. Further, the chemical equation provides information on the physical state of the substance, and conditions under which the reaction takes place. What are the conditions? Temperature, pressure, both conditions are present in a reaction. What are the states of matter? There are states of matter: solid, liquid, gaseous and aqueous solution. These are the states of different states of the physical state of the substance. These physical state of the substance are represent bracket as the subscript. The states of matters are represent in a bracket in a substance with subscript. Write in a subscript with bracket. Methane formula CH4, methane formula CH4, oxygen formula O2, carbon dioxide and water. Methane is a gaseous substance. We put subscript G for gaseous substance. Carbon dioxide also gaseous substance. We put gaseous state G in a subscript. Carbon dioxide also gaseous substance. We put G in a subscript. Water is one of the in this state we produce what state? Vapor state of water. Vapor state means G. So both are present in gaseous substance. So gaseous substance represent G in a bracket with which place you write? Subscript of the formula representative substance. The chemical equation represents three steps. One is write in a word equation. The word equation converted into chemical formulas. The chemical equals does not equal in a reactant product, so we can write the balanced chemical equation. The final one is write the physical state of the matter. In a chemical reaction.